This is the worst piece of junk I have ever bought. This is a made in China SEC-E9. It's 2 years old. It's only cut accurately 15 keys. We had the Miricle A5. We wanted the features this had, what it said. We talked to whoever we talked to in China. We paid for it. They shipped it. This is the 4th tablet. The Bluetooth doesn't work. They've shipped us 4 tablets. Oh my goodness, it's just so frustrating. We've had this thing apart in pieces because there's nowhere to get it fixed. You got to fix it yourself. And we fix key machines over the last 30 years. This thing just does not come apart nicely, does not go together nicely, and we keep on having problem after problem after problem. They keep on telling us, oh, we'll send you a new board. Oh, what are we on, the second, third board on this thing? 4th tablet. It just will not do anything right. From what I understand, we just thought, okay, we could afford to buy 2.5 of these for the price of one Miricle A9, and this seemed to be a good looking. It looked good at the thing. Again, the factory keeps on sending us parts. It keeps on not working. And everybody I've talked to who has one of these is cursing it. You may hear about the odd person saying it's good. They are not cutting enough keys on these things. Even one guy who was a real diehard on this thing, and they bought a whole pile of them, they're all sitting as junk. Everybody I know who has one of these, who's a real locksmith, who is in the business of cutting automotive keys, these things are garbage. I cannot stress how much money we've wasted, how much time we've wasted. Even brand new, we bought every option for it to do the tubular keys, the tibby keys. We bought the engraving function. First time we had it, and I was looking forward to the engraving function, and they said, oh, that's not going to work. And I don't know what I paid for that. 250 bucks, 300 bucks for the engraving function extra?
It was about
500 maybe? Randy hates this thing worse than me. Right off the bat, they said, oh, that won't work. And I'm going, and they didn't even offer to buy back or give a refund on the parts that we spent on for the engraving function. Garbage, garbage, garbage. 15 keys in probably
2+ years.
2+ years. And really, it broke after what, 10 keys? It broke after 2 weeks. Yeah, I can understand, we've replaced motherboards on other of our code machines. I can understand, we can fix things and get it done. This thing will not work. They keep on, it's dead silence at their end. After a bit, they get fed up of us. Probably fed up of everybody in North America who's been bitching about this thing. I was in the Philippines and people had them there, bitched about it and says they don't work. They bought it because it was inexpensive compared to the Korean stuff. And total garbage. SEC-E9. And if you're from the factory, why don't you just send us a new one? I'll give you this one back, and let's see if that one works any better. Garbage, 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 garbage. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.